Let's doctor up some popcorn shrimp. All right, well, we've been outside working today and we wanted something super simple. So we have this package of frozen popcorn shrimp that's classic. We're going to follow the directions. We're going to bake ours. You can bake yours, air fry it, or you can deep fry it, whatever. But the first step is just to take this and we're going to stick that in the oven. Once our shrimp are done and they're still hot, we're going to take some Prairie Dust. The recipe for the Prairie Dust is going to be in the description below, but we've got ours jarred here. We're just going to take this Prairie Dust and we're going to sprinkle over all of our shrimp. This is a great little appetizer recipe, or for us, a nice little lunch recipe. To that, we're going to add some banana peppers. Just going to mix it all together. We're going to throw some on the floor.
That was yours.
That's mine. And then we're going to serve this with some ranch dressing. I should put that on. But this is a super simple way of doctoring up some shrimp, giving it just a little bit extra flavor, and it's delicious. If you enjoy these recipes, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Once I make my mess, we will say we appreciate you for watching.